What's up YouTube, welcome to a video. In this video we will discuss Kleen's theorem part 3. So let's begin. The title of the video is Kleen's theorem complete part 3. So part 3 of the Kleen's theorem states that every language that can be defined by an RE regular expression can also be defined by an FA finite automata. So it is basically saying that if a language is written in regular expression, it can also be expressed in the form of a diagram which is FA. So we will break the part 3 into 4 rules, which are: there is rule 1. The rule 2 is called union of two FAs. The rule 3, concatenation of two FAs. And the rule 4 is known by two names: clean closure of an FA or clean star of an FA. So we will learn all of these in our next video. For now, the rule 1. Rule 1 of the part 3 states that if a regular expression is expressed as x, then FA will be: if the input is x, then it goes to the final state. Otherwise, all string except the x leads to the dead state. And even after coming to the final state, if there is any other input, it goes to the dead state and it remains in the dead state. And if the regular expression is null, the initial state is already the final state. So if any string comes in, it would lead to the dead state and it would remain in the dead state forever. So this is the Kleen's theorem part 3 rule 1. That was all for the video. If you like the video, press the like button and do subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.